Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to save any Canva design as a PDF file so you can share it or print it in high quality. It's really simple once you know where to look. First, open your web browser and go to canva.com. Make sure you're logged into your Canva account. From the home page, pick the project you want to save. You can either scroll through your recent designs or use the search bar at the top if you have a specific file in mind. For example, I'll search for a resume template because I want to save a CV. Canva will show a lot of templates you can customize. Click on one you like and then edit it. Add your text, replace images, adjust colors, or anything else you need until you're happy with the final design. Once your design is ready, look at the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. A menu will open here. Choose Download. You'll see a drop-down menu where you can select a file type. From the list, pick PDF Standard if you plan to email or share the file online, or choose PDF Print if you want the highest quality for printing. Take a moment to double-check your settings like page range or crop marks if you need them. After that, just click Download and wait a few seconds while Canva prepares your file. When the download is complete, open it on your computer and you'll see that your design is now saved as a PDF and ready to use. Saving a Canva project as a PDF is quick and super useful. If this guide helped you out, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy Canva tips and creative design tutorials.